Hello everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. My name is Jenkins-Reid and I am the owner of Pampering Moms. I would like to take a little time to talk about how my company got started. When I first started making products, it was only for family and friends who had skin issues like eczema. I was so surprised at the results that I heard until it motivated me to continue making products. From then on, I started making body butters, body wash, salts, soaks, scrubs, lotions, bath bombs, and soaps. I was so happy to make products for my family and friends, and it motivated me to continue, and I was inspired. More than that, I felt really elated and happy to be able to help others. Pampering Moms is not just a company that makes products. In addition, we provide safe products, a peace of mind, and satisfaction in knowing that we promote healthy skin. Now that you have seen some of our featured products, please like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Also, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Our website is www.pamperingmoms.shop. Thank you, and we look forward to serving you.